Alright guys, quick one. Let's check this factorial of numbers. What does it mean? Factorial, n factorial. How do we get that? We have formula guiding this principle. So how do we check factorials of numbers? Okay, now, so we have n factorial. We need to reduce the value of n by 1 each. So if we have n factorial, we write n first, multiply, we reduce this by 1, that is n minus 1. We keep reducing until we get to what? N minus n factorial, and n minus n is what? 0. So we have 0 there. So let's keep reducing. We have n minus 2. So we can stop here and say 3 dots, then multiply by what? N minus n, which is 0. So we can write 0 instead of writing n minus n. So we now add factorial. So these 3 dots implies that we have other numbers there. We have other things like n minus 3, n minus 4, n minus 5, and the likes, till we get to what? N minus n, which is what? 0 factorial. Now let's solve for this. We have 0 factorial. 0 factorial is just what? 1, because this n here is what? Positive numbers. So because when you reduce 0 by 1, so we are going to get what? Negative. So 0 factorial is just 1. Now let's check 1 factorial. So we can apply this formula. Applying this formula, we have 1 factorial as 1. 1 factorial is also 1. So that means 0 factorial and 1 factorial are what? The same. So we have 2 factorial. Now how do we go about 2 factorial? So we have 2 multiplied by 1. So we have reduced these 2 by 1. And if you reduce 2 by 1, what are we going to get? We have 1. So 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. So this is telling us that 2 factorial is just 2. 3 factorial, let's keep reducing. 3, then we have 2, then we have 1. We stop. So that is 3 multiplied by 2, 6. 6 multiplied by 1 is what? 6. 3 factorial is 6. So we have 5 factorial. 5 factorial. 5 multiplied by 4, multiplied by 3, multiplied by 2, multiplied by 1. So 5 multiplied by 4 is 20. 20 by 3 is what? 60. And we have by 2 is what? That we have 120. So here we have 120. So 5 factorial is 120. Now it's time for you to now do this. Please check this. 12 factorial. What is your answer? Send that using the comment section. Thank you guys.